Good morning, boys. Hope you all had a nice day yesterday. It's Tuesday today, the 23rd of February. I hope you all enjoyed a little bit of sunshine, got some fresh air yesterday. It was really, really nice. I went out for a walk myself and I really felt the spring air, which was lovely. Thank you for sending me your lovely work yesterday, and we are going to continue now. Today, for English, we're going to do poetry. The poem that we're looking at is called A Lazy Beast by Michael Duggan. So I have attached it down the very bottom after Friday. You can see it there. I know it's sideways, but if you have a printer, you can print it out. If you don't worry, because I have it here as well. So the poem goes like this. The African hippopotamus is very rarely known to fuss, but loves in rivers all day long, humming a lazy sort of song. And when he needs a place to rest, he knows a bed of mud is best. So it's a very short line poem. And just answer these few questions here. So we read the poem above yourself. How does this poem make you feel? Can you find any words that rhyme? Can you find a wow word? So a word that is most interesting to you. And then the last one, draw a picture of a lazy beast. And this can be using your imagination. It doesn't have to be a lazy African hippopotamus. It could be any other kind of beast. It could be a mini beast. It could be a lazy crocodile or a lazy lion. Anything. So use your imagination. Think of any kind of lazy beast. It can also be fictional as well if you'd like. And then your Tuesday spellings today: tea, heat, and leaf. All EA words, which will be part of your phonics for tomorrow. For maths, then we're going to do some counting. So in particular, skip counting in 2s, in 5s and 10s. So a little bit of practice with that would be great, because on page 80 in your operation maths, we're looking at repeated addition, which is like skip counting. So this is page 80 here. And repeated addition is when you say 2 plus 2 equals 4. But if you have more, you say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, and then the answer. That is repeated addition because it is repeating the same number 2. Another way you could do this is like counting up in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So then you know the answer is 12. But you must write exactly underneath how many dots. So 2 plus 2. Let me write it down there. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2 we know is 8. Plus 2 we know is 10. Plus 2 we know is 12. And then you put the answer 12 in there. Okay. That'll just help you then to do the first one. Have a look at the second one. Repeated addition of 5s. And then we have a repeated addition of 10s. Part B then, how many children all together? So they're in pairs. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Write the answer there. And then how many children are on the tandem bikes? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So count 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Continue that yourself. And here the choir, they're singing in pairs again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's the best way. This is why skip counting is very important. When you have that complete, you can do some Irish. Ceacht the Cuaig of Savolia. So click on the link here, it will bring you into the lesson. And the lesson vocabulary to learn then is Tá Liam ag dul suas daire. Liam went up the stairs. So suas is up. Inish tá sé huas daire. So now, inish means now, he is upstairs. Tá siomra lapis huas an staire. So the bedroom is upstairs. Tá níomh dul síos daire. So níomh went dul síos means down the stairs. Inish tá sí híos daire. So now she is downstairs. Tá cistern agus siomra sí híos daire. The kitchen and sitting room are downstairs. So practice that using that language. And what you can do is at home, practice saying the words as you're going. Who's Thyra? Agus. She is Thyra. Up and down the stairs. All right. And then complete page Lehanach 60 in your Bruna kind of book. And then afterwards, we're going to do some SPHE. So thinking a little bit about how we're feeling and how you're belonging. So we've spent a good bit of time now at home since before Christmas. We haven't been able to go outside and see our friends. We haven't been able to go to school. So it's really just about trying to take care of our feelings and to be able to tell people how we're feeling. And like that, you can close your eyes and think about how you feel when you're in school. So I know it can be hard to stay at home and do your work, but when we're in school, we feel like we belong to our class and we belong in room 4 and you belong in my class and you belong with your friends. So I want you to think of ways in which when we go back to school to help everybody feel like they belong. So I want you to brainstorm how children make friends. I want you to write out some words, some phrases. I want you to really think about in your class, so what you say about the children in your class and what they say about you. And then I have a worksheet for you to do, and this is a worries worksheet. If you have any worries at all, anything that you could be worried about school, about home, about your friends, anything at all that you could be worried about, I want you to write it down into this. So I have it attached here. So this is the sea of worries. Let the sea take your worries away. Write your worries into the waves. Talk about them with an adult. Say why you feel worried. Talk about what you can do to help you feel better. Then colour in the picture. And imagine the worries are being washed away by the waves as you are colouring. So I know some people might find it hard to think about worries, but I think everybody has worries sometimes. So for example, I'd be very worried about when we're going to go back to school, and I really hope it's very soon. So I would write worried about we wanting to go back to school very soon. So any worries at all, you write them into the waves here and then colour it in so that you think all the waves are being washed away. And that's everything for Tuesday's work. So I hope you have a lovely day. Best of luck with the work. Send me whatever you can. And if you have any questions, just send me a message on Aladdin, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Bye.